Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace parking brake shoes 05-16 Toyota Rav4 Easy Guide. Start by loosening lug nuts, lifting the rear with a jack, and supporting with jack stands immediately, then remove the wheel and drum to access the parking brake assembly. Begin by documenting the spring layout and components, then carefully remove return springs with spring pliers and detach hold-down pins while supporting the shoes. Next, slide out the old shoes and clean the backing plate thoroughly before installing new parts. Place the new shoes into position, reconnect the springs, and fit new hold-down hardware. Then set the self-adjuster so the shoes lightly contact the drum, recheck wheel cylinder condition, and brake lever engagement, and ensure the assembly spins freely before final reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.